In this video, we are going to learn about how an algorithm can be represented using a graph. Okay? So for this, I have taken these three algorithms for the same problem. Right? And you can write some more algorithm for the same problem. Like you can solve this problem using recursion also. You can solve using this problem using array also. Right? So just I'm going to take these three algorithms only, and now I'm going to analyze this algorithm on the basis of some parameters. So let's see what are the different parameters we can take. The first one is now in algorithm. Now let me tell you how many number of assignments are there. Assignments kitne? The first time these are the one assignment. This is the problem of sum of n natural number. So this is the same logic for this problem. Another logic for this problem. Another algorithm for this problem. Right. So see, the first one is in this algorithm A, how many number of assignments are there? So just I'm going to write here assignments. The number of assignments count this number of assignment. Number of assignment is 1. This is 1 plus how many number of assignment? This is 1. N times. ये loop कितनी बार चल रहा है? N times. तो this is n time assignment. So now I'm going to write here n. Right? Now come to this one. Algorithm B. In algorithm B, how many number of assignments? This is first one assignment, 1 plus, and now listen, how many number of assignments in this statement? See, देखिए दो loop है, there are two loops, and in first loop outer loop 1 to n and inner loop 1 to I. So first time if I equal to 1, then inner loop will execute one time. So this is first plus the first assignment, right? First assignment, one assignment. Now whenever I equal to 2, there are two assignment. This one, 1, 1, 2 assignment. Now another next 3 assignment, 1, 2, 3. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. You can just understand that 1, 2, 3, 4 assignments are there. तो नंबर ऑफ असाइनमेंट्स कितने हो गए इस लूप के अकॉर्डिंग n plus 1 by 2. राइट सिंपल. देखिएगा अगर j की वैल्यू फर्स्ट टाइम i की वैल्यू 1 है तो j की वैल्यू 1 to 1 तक चलेगा. तो एक असाइनमेंट हो गया. वंस अगेन एक असाइनमेंट हो गया. नाउ अब इस टाइम पे इनर लूप फेल हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट टाइम i की वैल्यू 2 हो गई तो ये वाला इनर लूप 2 टाइम्स चला. तो 2 टाइम्स मतलब 2 असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर. अगेन i इक्वल टू 3 पे ये 3 टाइम चलेगा तो 3 असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर. तो एंड सो ऑन. ऐसा क्या हो रहा है फर्स्ट n नेचुरल नंबर. तो नेचुरल नंबर का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है n plus 1 by 2. इट मींस नंबर ऑफ असाइनमेंट इन दिस एल्गोरिथम इज इक्वल टू 1 plus n into n plus 1 by 2. Right? Now come to this one. Algorithm C में how many number of assignment? Only one assignment. Right? Now come to this next one. Plus operation, addition operations. Now I'm going to talk about addition operations. How many additions operation are there? N addition operations. कितने operations हुए? N addition. Loop कितनी बार चलेगा ये? Loop n टाइम तक चलेगा. n टाइम तक addition होगा. तो this is n additions. Remember, don't be confused. Loop मेरा n plus 1 टाइम तक चला, but addition मेरा n टाइम तक होगा. Remember this one. तो addition n टाइम. Now in this algorithm B में कितना addition हुआ? Simple. जैसे ये assignment हुआ था वैसे addition कितना हुआ? n plus 1 by 2. Right? So total number of addition is n plus 1 by 2, just like assignment operator की तरह. ठीक? Now in algorithm C, how many assignments are there? Only one assignment. This one, sum is sign. One assignment. Now, what are the different operations? Yes, multiplication operation. So, see, multiplication. Tell me, in algorithm A, how many multiplication operation? No multiplication algorithm. No multiplication. In algorithm B, no multiplication. In algorithm C, only one multiplication. See this one. Now another operation is division operations. So let's say division. How many divisions are there? No division operation. no division operation and only one division operation. Okay, now let me add this one. Add करें. How many total number of operations? 4 operations. And in this case, how many total number of operation? N plus 1 plus n is equal to 2n plus 1. Right? And in this case, 1 plus n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1 by 2 means 2 times n plus 1 by 2, 2 cancel, and you can solve this n square plus n plus 1. Right? Or this is 4. In algorithm B, number of operations are n square plus n plus 1, and in algorithm A, number of operations is 2n plus 1, and in algorithm C, number of operations is 4. Now I am going to draw the graph on the basis of number of operations. So now listen. So now let me draw the graph quickly. So this is, see, this is x-axis. Now I'm going to take the number of inputs. This is input, simple, and this is number of operations I'm going to discuss. See, that's very easy. Actually, my intention is that if you understand this concept, then you can easily understand what is the asymptotic notation, big O notation, theta notation, omega notation, right? So try to understand. Okay, now I'm going to draw the graph for these three algorithms, right? So just let me draw this graph. See, simple. Just I'm going to take the input. Number of input ये n हो गया, right? n में suppose करिए हमने input 1 दिया, ये मैंने लिया input 2 है, this is input 3, input 4. Now I'm going to take the operations. तो operations मैंने y axis पे 4 operations. The scaling of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and so on. So this is y-axis represent the number of operations, total number of operations, and y-axis represent number of input we are going to provide. Right? Now, see, for algorithm C, if n equal to 1, अगर मैं n की वैल्यू 1 देता हूं, in that case 1 into 1 plus 1 divided by 2, simple answer is 1. But how many number of operation? Same as it is 4 operations. Just I am going to write here, this is 4 operations, right? Now, right, 1 की वैल्यू अगर मैंने 1 लिया तो यहाँ पे 1, ये 4 operations. If n equal to 2, then number of operation is equal to 4. Again 2 means suppose 2 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2, 2 cancel, 2 plus 1 3. So if n is equal to 2, again number of operation is equal to what? 4. So just I am going to write here, point this one. If n equal to 3, again number of operation is equal to 4 on this input number 3. For algorithm C, I am talking about algorithm number C, algorithm C. If input 4, if n is equal to 4, then again number of operation is equal to 4. Simple arithmetic calculation is there. Simple arithmetic calculation, simple. Now, if n equal to 5, then again number of operation is equal to 4. So this is the linear graph. What? For algorithm C. This is algorithm C. Right? Now, come to this one. This one, algorithm A. If n equal to 1, if n is equal to 1, 2 into 1 plus 1, 3. If input is equal to 1, then number of operation is equal to 3. Assume this is 3. Right? This is 3. This is 3. Now, if n is equal to 2, put here n is equal to 2, 2 into 2 plus 1, 2 to your 4 plus 1, 5. Now I am going to write here on the input 2, now I am going to write here this one 5. Right? If n is equal to 3, 2 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. So this is, you can write like this 7. Just below the 8 line. If n is equal to 4, 2 4 is 8 plus 1, 9. 2 4 is 8 plus 1. You can just like this one. Right? Now, what about this? N is equal to 5. 2 5 is 10 plus 1, 11. 2 5 is 10 plus 1. This is can write like 11, right? So how the graph look like for algorithm A? This is algorithm A, right? See, so this is algorithm what? A, algo A. This is algo C, this is algo A. Now come to the algorithm for B. Algorithm B के लिए क्या है? Put here n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 means n equal to 1. 1 square plus 1 plus 1, what is 3? So this is 3. On the input 1, the value is 3. Let me change the color. Blue. Where is the blue? If n is equal to 1, if n equal to 1, 1 square plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. So this is again, this is 3 for the input 1. Now, for n is equal to 2, 2 square plus 2 plus 1, 2 2 is 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. On the input 2, this is the 7, right? Right. N equal to 3, 3 3 is 9 plus 3. Just I am going to tell you, 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1, 13. On input 3, output is, this is operation, number of operation is 13. This is 13. This is I am going to write here 2 pay what? 2 to the 4, to the 6, 7. This is 7 and this is 13. Right. N equal to 4. 4 4 is 16 plus 4, 20 plus 1, 21. On 4, this is 21. Right? This is 21. N equal to 5. 5 5 is 25 plus 5, 30. 30 plus 1, 31. So I can write like this one, 31, something like here. This is 31. You can assume like this one, 30. Now, how the graph, how the curve look like for algorithm B? This is. Right? See. Just try to understand what I am going to say. So this is the graph for algorithm what? Algorithm B. Yes. So this is the graph for these three algorithms on the basis of two parameters: number of inputs and this one number of operations. This is the number of operations. Number of operations. And operations included number of assignments, addition, multiplication and division, right? So in next video we will discuss about asymptotic notation. उसमें हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे ग्राफ बिटवीन द नंबर ऑफ इनपुट्स एंड रेट ऑफ ग्रोथ. इन रेट ऑफ ग्रोथ टाइम टेकन, राइट? तो दैट्स विल बी वेरी इजी एंड वी विल सी आल्सो कि जैसे देखिए यहाँ पे एल्गोरिथम ए और बी में हमने क्या देखा कि n इज इक्वल टू क्या 1 पे, n इज इक्वल टू 1 पे यहाँ पर आउटपुट कितना आ रहा है 1 प्लस 1 प्लस 1, दिस इज 3. इफ n इज इक्वल टू 1 then number of operation is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. If n is equal to 1, number of operation is equal to 3 again, right? तो ये n naught की वैल्यू हो जाएगी. तो we will discuss later in big O notation, theta notation और omega notation what is n naught. So in this case this is n naught if we are talking about algorithm A and B. So this is n naught. n naught के बाद after the n naught the graph characteristics of this graph is different, right? अभी तक तो a इस पे सेम है, n की वैल्यू 1 पे सेम है, बट उसके बाद वो asymptotically behavior शो कर रहा है. Got my point? Now, so we will discuss in next lecture what is asymptotic notation, right? If any doubt, please write in comment box, and thank you for watching.